In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Moai in Infinite Craft. To get started, go ahead and open Infinite Craft on your device. You can do this both on the web version and the Android app version of Infinite Craft. So in here, go ahead and start with dragging the earth element to your canvas. Now mix the wind element to your earth element to create dust. Now mix fire with dust and you'll be able to create ash. Now go ahead and drag fire beside ash and you'll be able to create phoenix. Now add water to your canvas and add another water to create a lake. After creating a lake, go ahead and add dust to your lake and you'll be able to create a mud. Now go ahead and add earth to your mud to create a clay. Add a clay to your phoenix and you'll be able to create a statue. After that, go ahead and add wind to your canvas and another wind to create a tornado. Once you've created a tornado, add another tornado to create a hurricane. After you've created a hurricane, go add another tornado to create a tsunami. After you create a tsunami, go ahead and add another tornado to create a distraction. After you create a distraction, go ahead and add earth to your canvas and add water to create another plant. After you create a plant, go ahead and add another earth to your plant to create a tree. Now add another earth to your tree to create a forest. Now add a forest to your forest to create a jungle. Now go ahead and add another forest to your jungle to create a rainforest. Now go ahead and drag that rainforest to destruction to create deforestation and add the deforestation to your statue to create Easter Island. Now go ahead and add another statue to your Easter Island to create Moai. And that is how you can simply make Moai on Infinite Craft. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.